we copy the men that's around us. It don't even have to be our father. We need examples in the tribe of who to copy. And I must have grown up just like you, bro, because I ain't have a single example that was like, I'm gonna do it just like that. And
Mm.
if you look in society, you can't even really find that either. I have a list of like 20 to 30 black males of who I would love to emulate. Half of them is dead. Half of them have some kind of flaw that I'm like, I wouldn't do it that way. But other than that, it's spooky out there.
So
Like
you
it's
don't see
nothing.
you don't see examples.
No, I take bits and pieces everywhere I go. And that's the way I grew up. I'm like, I'm not gonna do it this way. I would do it that way.